Aloha and welcome to the Big Island.
Better known to Partylite as Hawaii.
When we think of the Big Island, we think of just one thing, right, guys?
That's right.
Beaches.
Snorkeling.
No, come on, we talked about this.
Hello, I know we talked about it, and we decided that I was right.
I was
in
Guys,
economy.
guys, I think I know someone who can help us.
Who?
You do?
Yeah.
Who?
You remember Volcano from conference?
Yeah.
Hey,
aloha,
good to see you folks.
Hey,
Oh, you
Aloha.
brought your ukulele.
That's right, and aloha to you, Partylite. We've composed a song just for you, and it goes something like this. Here we go. Hey. So many wows on this island paradise, promises you so many tropical highs. So keep on sponsoring with these words inside. Aloha Partylite. Let's try this. Come on, let's try it together. Here we go. What? So many wows on this island paradise, promises you so many tropical highs. So keep on sponsoring with these words inside. Aloha Partylite. Yeah,
I love
one
it.
more time. Aloha Partylite. One more time.
Okay.
So many wows on this island paradise, promises you so many tropical highs. So keep on sponsoring with these words inside. Aloha Partylite. Yeah. Aloha Partylite.
Hey, I love it.
So come on, everybody, let's go have a blast.
What a great idea. I'm ready.
Hey, you know what, Kevin? How'd you like to be a paniolo for the day?
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
I would love to. Awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, guys, what the heck is a paniolo?
Pineapple doctor?
Yeah, yeah,
salsa?
that's good. Okay. I would, yeah, let's go.
Okay, Kevin, now you understand better what paniolo means?
Absolutely.
Referring to the early Hawaiian cowboys, and we're here in the beautiful Dahana Ranch in Waimea, Hawaii. Everybody ready to take a tour?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Head on.
Yeah, about move out.
So how big is the Big Island?
I'm glad you asked, Brother Carl. This island is so big that all the rest of the Hawaiian Islands can fit within this one island. In fact, this island is continuously growing, getting bigger. It is about the size of the state of Connecticut.
Getting bigger. How's that possible?
Come on, I'll show you. Thanks to Kilauea Volcano, which is the world's most continuously active volcano, erupting daily since the year 1983, with previous eruptions also. And we're standing in front of an enormous crater of Kilauea called Hale Ma'o, and that means House of the Fern. In fact, in 1924, a huge steam explosion spewed lava rocks around the rim of the crater, which is visible to us today.
That's a big crater.
What'd you say? Halima'umahu?
Hale Ma'o.
You know, I heard Partylite's trying to get that changed
To what?
to Hale Wa'u Wow, which means House of Kendall.
Volcano, all of this is great. Where are the beaches?
I'm glad you asked, Billy. Ua mau ke ea o ka ena I ka pono.
Huh?
Billy, awesome beaches.
All right, let's go.
Hale on,
dude.
let's go. There's an ancient Hawaiian proverb, Ola ika vai ako pua. Ola ika vai ako pua. And translated to English means there is life in the rain. Rain also gives the Big Island some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in the world. Come on, guys, here's another place I want you all to see. Take a look. You're gonna love this.
This is such a wow. We should sing the wow song.
Absolutely.
All right, Volcano, how do you say wow in Hawaiian?
Humu humu nuku nuku apua aka'awa kane ohe.
Huh? Oh, you gotta be kidding. Anything shorter than that.
How about wa'u?
Great! Yeah, you all sing the wahoo. You ready? Hey, yeah. Partylite has so many wahoo. Love its product. Wahoo. Love its program. Wahoo. Love its people. Wahoo. Party